kayo day. Nagyaya yung bana ko day. Ayaw ko sanang lumabas day. Kay gisapot akong giti day. Giti ang akong gisa. Ako yung giti ang gisapot. Wala lang day, gisapot ko. Gisapot ko sa bana. Ako ang bana day. Yung asawa ko kasi, kanina, pumunta ako doon. Ito yung dahilan. Pumunta ako doon sa, pasensya nyo na yung ano ko ha, yung hair ko. Ayusin ko yan mamaya. Pumunta ako doon sa man cave kasi, nag-take a nap siya. Kanina pinag-take a nap ko para maka-rest. So ngayon, umalik ako mga 2 or 3 hours. 3 hours dahil bumalik ako doon. And then pagtingin ko, gising yung asawa ko na. Dahil gising na yung asawa ko. Anong ginawa niya? Kasi nandoon siya, nakatayo siya sa pintuan. Ang ginawa niya is, tumingin siya sa akin. And then pagkatapos, nilock niya yung pintuan. So ako naman, parang ako dahil na sa Bisaya ba ng luod. Ayun ko ano yung Tagalog. Nandito na pala yung asawa ko. Nang luod ko dahil ba? Nandiyan na yung papa niya dahil. Nandiyan na. So ngayon, Papa is here na. Okay, itutuloy ko yung kwento mamaya dahil. Ilagay ko. Nag-usap ko mag-ama dayo. Nag-usap ko mag-ama. Ilagay mo na natin dito pa. Papa is here na. Yung papa nangala. Buntis yung papa mo. Agay. No. You need to put your... What is that? Dali na, nak. Isulod.
Yeah, no farting na mama.
Isulod mo kamot ba? Can you put your... This one ba o lock? Next one, other one. Okay. Aray, tapos na tayo dyan. Hindi yan is Bibi Kano dahi. Yan yun ang kulot na buhok dahi. Ganyan talaga pa sa kulot yung buhok dahi. What? Punta na tayo sa kabila dahi. Hindi. My love, I did not bring my card, ha? I did not bring my card. Is that okay? Hoy! Why you have 2 cards now? So that is mean you have my card. Hoy! Ay, ginoo ko tayo. Ito yung kwento natin dahil ayusin ko muna yung buhok punta ko dahil huwag na lang ayusin hayaan nyo na yun. So ituloy natin yung kwento ko sa Bisaya ng luod. Yung anong Tagalog ng luod dahil comment kayo sa comment section below. Nang luod ko dahil kay gilakan ko. Gilak niya ang katungkon. Saya unang ako ba ang sana ang pintuan ba Tagalog na. Gilak niya ang pintuan dahil nang luod akong giti dahil mato ni Bal.
Garrett Cell, 5066.
It's there, my love. Yun, kaya bumalik ako sa aking tinaanan day at pumunta ako doon sa bahay, sa kabilang bahay. And then, sinundan ako ng asawa ko day doon sa kabila. And then, nag-stay siya doon. And then, ngayon day, ngayon nag-stay siya, nanonood kami ng TV. Then pagkatapos lumabas din siya. And then tinanong ko siya kung gusto pa niyang pumunta, kung saan kami gusto pumunta. And then sabi niya sa akin, ano daw ako kaya ang pangalan istikta daw na daw akong ginaya ba, istikta daw siya akong gibuhat daw hindi daw maganda. And then sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw ang nagsimula nito, hindi ako. Hala, there is ano na look at this na I think that is a cat. ba dumaan sa sana sa kalsada.
He's gonna cross. But he went, no. There's some more of those paninis.
Ha?
Those big flowers.
Ah.
They attract ants.
Okay. So yun, ituloy natin kwento day ha. So yun, sinundan ako day. And then tinanong ko siya kung gusto pa niya pumunta. And then yun nga, sabi ko, sino ang nagsimula nito? Ikaw ang nagsimula nito, hindi ako. Ano sa dili daw siya, kung daw, wala daw niya gituyo, nakikipaglaro lang daw siya sa akin. And then alam niyo naman, cows?
Yeah, it's cows.
May ano daw day, may ghost island day, may cow daw doon day, sabi niya.
They're over there doing cow things stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Halalab, they have a long corn. Is this a corn?
Yeah.
There is a long, there
Yeah,
is
it's so
a...
sad.
Oh. So yun.
Look, where the little ponies at?
Oh, there is no pony, they're hiding.
They got little ones, little
Yeah.
miniature ones.
That is a little farm, yeah? Ah, there, my love, no little
Yeah,
ponies.
look at them.
Maliliit na ano, day, baka kabayo, day. Maliliit na kabayo. Kaya yun. Nakipaglaro lang daw siya sa akin, day. Hindi daw yung seryoso talaga. Yan, bumalik ako uli sa sa loob ng kabilang bahay.
There's the nursery.
Ah, yeah, flowers. Alala, they have lots of flowers there.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, dairy dough. Sold here. What dairy dough? Dairy
It
dough.
was a dairy farm.
Dairy dough sale here. That's what it said. So, yun. And then, nag-stay muna ako sa loob ng bahay, day. And then, tinanong ko siya uli. Pinuntahan ko siya sa doon sa kabilang room. Yung sa kwarto namin ba. Pinuntahan ko ulit at tinanong ko kung gusto mo bang pumunta or hindi. Para magluto na lang ako. Yung sabi niya, gusto na yung pumunta. So ngayon, kaya nandito kami sa sasakyan, day.
It's got 2 motors on there.
Bibi ka no, day, patingin-tingin na sa bintana, day. You're looking. Yung bata-batuta natin. Tumitingin lang siya, day. So nandito tayo, day. So kaya ngayon, nandito kami sa sasakyan, day. Kaya kasi ang paborito niya kasi day is burger. Your favorite food is burger, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, burger and pizza. But you like more burger, yeah?
Yeah.
Mas gusto niya yung burger. Gusto niya yung pizza pero mas gusto niya yung burger. Kaya ngayon nandito kami, day. So may this coming Monday, pupunta na naman kami ng hospital para sa anak ko, yung pangalawa kong anak, day, pa na may sakit na epilepsy. Schedule niya sa EEG, yung mga wire ganit day ilalagay sa ulo, day, para ma-detect kung saan di ba yung brain natin may 4 na rooms. So para ma-detect kung saan yung nagsi-seizure, day. And then, yun, iwan namin, day, kung magstay ba kami sa room sa hospital or, kasi mayroon kasi dito na ipapadala lang nila sa bahay mo yung equipment, and then mayroon din sa hospital. So, iwan ko kung ano dyan, mga inday. Malalaman natin sa Monday. Bali, tatlong araw na EEG, day. Hala, boy.
I hate to miss the big ones, love.
Okay. They have old house here. Beautiful. Ito yung farm nila dito, day. And then may malaking farm dyan sa gilid. Sa kabila is corn. This one is corn. There is a corn already or just...
It's
there's
starting
a
to grow,
little bit,
You
yeah.
can see it.
Yeah.
Some of it even like some good color.
Yeah.
The little hairs at the end.
Ah.
Of it. You want
Okay,
to start
even this
turning
one,
brown.
it's
Yeah,
this one, love, this summer season, it's fall season, yeah?
Yeah.
And then after that, it's snow again, winter.
Then it's depression.
Sabi ng asawa ko, yung winter daw is depression. Totoo talaga yan, dahil.
We just get a cup of hot cocoa and some new blankets.
Yeah, totoo talaga, dahil basta
Sit there and
winter
look out the
dito.
window.
Yeah, makaka-depress basta winter. Ginoo ko, yung araw, hindi halos magpapakita na yung araw, dahil feel mo palaging uulan.
Yeah, we'll binge watch some TV series.
Yeah.
Then hopefully the winter will just pass.
Yeah, I hope.
away.
Yeah. Oh my God. But it's okay. That's life. That's life. That's the winter here. Tomorrow is not a garbage day here. Monday, still Monday. Tomorrow,
Yeah, but
Sunday.
they got a different garbage day. There's another guy.
Yeah, big one. One. They cannot see.
It's gonna be the weird house.
The circle? No.
No, the one that's too big for the neighborhood.
Yeah, that's right. And then they just have a small land but have a big house. Not much people. What time? It's 6:57. That's why.
You're crazy.
Huh?
You're crazy.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? Anything. But I don't want there. We tried there already. It's not good food. What happened to you? One time is enough. Kaya ito yung mga brand. Ay, God bless you. Ito yung mga branded na tindahan dito, day. Lahat yan branded, day. Calvin Klein, Columbia. May mga Coach, ganyan. Basta mga branded na ano, day. Adidas, ganyan ba? Gap. Ito yung ano dito, day, yung Coach, Skechers. Mga branded na tindahan, lahat nandyan na lahat, day. Kung gusto mo yung branded, yung damit mo Michael Kors, na dyan ka pupunta, day. 7-Eleven.
A&W root beer has that. There's 5.
Okay. Starbucks. Mediterranean Grill. That is a good Starbucks dito, day. Drama si Asher Day. Tumatawa si Asher Day kapag nilalaroan ito ng papa niya, Day. Itong phone holder. And then tumatawa itong bata-batuta to. Naghihintay lang kami sa mga pagkain, Day. Medyo gutom na, Day. It's 7:25 in the evening na dito sa amin. But agaray, maraming araw. May araw pa din.
Where is my burger?
Putista na yung asawa ko, dahil sana yung pagkain niya. Nagputista na. Oy, that is ano, love.
They got a
Oh,
number on the
Buick
door.
Club.
Yeah, but look, they got a number on the door.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
number 24, love. We're 14. You're screwed, sir.
Number 24.
You'll be here till the second coming. Oh, look, my burger's here. So is Jesus.
This one is 20, love. Look.
Oh,
Jesus'
it's all
name.
over from here.
Ugoy, ang daming nakapila pala dayo eh. May dumaan 24 kami, 14 kami. Wala pa yung pagkain namin. Busy. It's a busy time.
I think there's much confusion going on in there today.
Maybe.
They're just bringing out 2 drinks to somebody. No food, just 2 drinks.
21.
Don't bring me drinks. That's right, Asher.
Ay,
That's right.
day update sa aking sa aking what we call it that, sa nakunan ako day. May dugo pa rin ako day, pero day, lang siya, mahina na lang yung dugo day.
Oh my God, they filled up all the reserves.
Natakot ako day nung mga first day hanggang third day. Ang lakas ng dugo ko day. Natakot ako,
I
medyo
see
natakot ako.
us. I see us.
Yes! Are you happy na?
That's right, Asher.
Nakita na ng asawa ko yung order namin day. Masaya na yung asawa ko.
That's right, buddy.
Kids meal?
Yep.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Have a great day, guys.
Come on.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Ito na yung order namin day. Let's go.
Who says we have to stay trapped in this parking lot?
Yeah,
Why can't we
that's
come
right.
over to this one?
Yeah, some
We
more.
can be versatile.
Pupunta kami ngayon dahil sa ibang parking lot at doon kami kakain kasi ang doon dahil sobrang
There you
busy.
go, love. That would be fun.
Yeah, that's nice. Dahil ba parang siya, maliit na car. Makapunta ka kung saan. McDonald's is here. They have we was here 2 times in this Buffalo Wild Wings here.
We've been to Buffalo Wild Wings too many times.
But this location ba, I think 2 times. Kain muna kami dahil pupunta ako ng likuran. Okay, kain tayo dahil nandiyan si Bibita nito. Kumakain si Bibita.
You control your camera addiction.
No, I need to post in the Facebook. YouTube. I love. I don't have YouTube. I did not post any YouTube. I don't have video. You eat na, Asher.
Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. Flowers swaying in the wind. Oh, this garden filled with tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. Butterflies are dancing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, this garden full of tenderness. La 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 la. In this sweet air I sing softly. The world is bright. La 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 la. The sun is setting low, painting skies in gold. La 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 la. The whispers of the leaves, secrets gently our hearts can rest.
What are you doing?
We are here mga inday.
You're filming the bottom of the door.
No, it's not. Ay mo, the garbage ba?
No, don't film that.
The garbage is pulled down in the ground. Oh, patay yung English natin, day. Ay, hayaan nyo na yung English ko, day. Basta magkasinaabot na sa bana, day. Yan yung pinaka-importante, day. Maintindihan ako ng asawa ko. Ay, lagay natin to sa garbage, day. Gusto kong ano, day, maglinis sa katawan ko, day. Gusto kong maglinis sa katawan ko kasi parang may ano ako, day, kaunti akong headache. By the way, day, nandito na kami sa bahay, day. Naunsa man atong kanday camera. Uy, nandito na kami sa bahay, day. Ngayon, kinukuha na yung ng asawa ko si Bibi Kano sa sasakyan. Yeah, that's right, Asher. Ay, kukunin ko pala yung ano, day. May tira pa kaming pagkain doon, day, sa sasakyan. Papakainin ko pa to si Bibi Kano, day. Hindi siya kumakain ng madami doon, day. My love, we still have food here, my love.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So guwapo that.
You know,
he's
The camera
hiding.
used to be on me and used to say I was guapo. And the next thing you know, he came out and all of a sudden
And now you're jealous?
I'm just chopped liver. Well, I'm just saying my feelings matter too.
Yung asawa ko, day, daw, sabi niya, day, before daw, day, siya yung gwapo sa aking paningin. Sinasabihan ko daw siya palagi ng gwapo. Ngayon, nandito na si Bibi Kano sa buhay namin. Lahat daw ng gwapo words napunta na daw kay Bibi Kano. Ito, day, oh. Ay, guys, tuli. Ninakaw daw. Ninakaw daw ni Bibi Kano. Yung atensyon.